I think this is an internet first. Who has cooked on a wok on a Weber Go Anywhere grill? Nobody. 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 Wow. We're gonna do some Korean style wonton in a wok on the Weber Go Anywhere. Whoa. This is part of this grill grate situation that I got, which I think will be perfect because, see that? It's perfect. It's level-ish. It'll be fine. I don't know. It's still spinning. It's, you know what? It's this highball right here. There, see? Battling the elements. We're 312, 320, 317, 325. It's climbing. Oh shit. This is gonna get really hot really quick. Okay. No, God, that's so cute. It's gonna be enough. That's enough, right? For 2 people? By the way, I'm not advertising for these guys. I just like them. Whoa. Look at that. Get that in slow motion. That's excessive tossing right there. Hey, can I toss your wonton? Oh, you haven't heard that saying, have you? Oh, ho, 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 ho. You know what the problem is when there's 2 that are married together here, in here, like this. And then I have to be like, hey. You're gonna cook better, you're not together. Breaking up the wonton family. What are we at temperature-wise? It's 302, so it came down, temp came down a lot. Oh, you know what's wrong? I don't have my vents open. Okay, well, if you're doing this at home, or in some campground somewhere, make sure you bring your gloves, welding glove. Make sure you have your vents open. One side goes up, the other side doesn't. Come on, really? It's just a simple move up, move down for me. Oh. So I didn't have the vent open because it wasn't getting oxygen in there. They say also to lay them in on the flat side down, you know, on a pot sticker or gyoza, there's a flat side and then there's the upper ridge. I like them crispy all over. You can follow the directions. You can be traditional. I like them crispy all over. I like every bite to be like, there's just something delightful about that. Now we wait. Can you see this? See how crispy those are getting in there? That's what you want. You want to make sure you get as many of them on the surface as possible. I mean, that's why you have a wok. They smash stuff up against the sides. Most people make a dipping sauce. And I've made dipping sauces and I like it, but for some reason... That? Oh. There's something about when it gets all mixed in with the oil and the soy sauce, these are going to be delicious. Look at how brown and crunchy they are. Come on. We're going to put them in this cowboy plate. Probably never been done. Wontons in the cowboy plate? Probably hasn't been done before. The good thing is that they're going to be really hot, and then at the bottom, we're going to burn our hands. You can do them the one side down, and then you can steam them like they say in the directions, or you can just do that. Come on.
Gotta go for 2.
Well, we've got like 30.
The outside perfectly crunchy, and whatever's inside,
Yeah. Very good.
It's perfect.